Guys, you have to watch it to the end because this vacuum has really impressed me so much. I got this because I have 2 dogs and they shed hair a lot and I really am struggling. But I did not want to pay the big bucks price out there for the big brand, so I thought to give this a shot. First of all, it is so lightweight. I don't think I've ever actually owned a Hoover that is this lightweight. The design itself is nice and sleek. It is just so nice looking in general, and also has the wee LED lights just down the bottom there, so it really does get you to see all the dirt. The max power is really powerful. As you can tell here, my carpet is purposely really dirty. I wanted to see how good the suction would be, picking everything up, and at the end there you can actually see the hair amount that this Hoover has collected is honestly mind-blowing to me. I really do believe that this vacuum is one of the best, if not the best, especially for the price, and it does the job so well. It will literally pick all the dirt up. It goes around the corners so well. It just bends around. You can also take it up the stairs. You could also swap it over and have a wee handheld small one to go in your car to clean up. It is fantastic, especially for the price that it is as well, honestly. And you can gift it to somebody, but overall I am super happy.